Hello everyone. Today we will learn numerical based on shear stress distribution diagram for rectangular section. So first of all, formulas. First formula, area of rectangular section B into D, average shear stress, which are denoted by Q average, is equal to S by BD. S means shear force, BD, B into D, area, maximum shear stress, therefore Q max is equal to 1.5 into Q average. So first example, a rectangular section 100 mm wide having moment of inertia 6.67 into 10 to the power 7 mm raised to 4 is subjected to a shear force of 100 kN. Find the moment of area of section under the consideration corresponding to a shear stress of 4 megapascal. Okay, first of all write given data. Rectangular section 100 mm wide, so B is equal to 100 mm, having moment of inertia, so I is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power 7 mm raised to 4 is subjected to shear force of 100 kilonewton, so S is equal to 100 kilonewton, conversion kilonewton into newton, so multiply by 10 cube, 100 into 10 cube Newton. Then shear stress of 4 megapascal means Q is equal to 4 MPa. MPa means Newton per mm square is equal to 4 Newton per mm square. Okay, to find moment of area means A y bar. Okay, by using shear stress equation, Q is equal to SAY bar upon IB. S shear force, moment of area, AY bar, IB, I means moment of inertia, B is the width. So what is the value of Q in given question? Q is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to, put the values in this equation. Okay, S is equal to 100 into 10 cube, AY bar, I is equal to 6.67 into 100. So AY bar is equal to 266,800 mm cube. Okay. So second example, a beam 100 mm wide and 250 mm deep is subjected to a shear force of 40 kilonewton at a certain section. Find the maximum shear stress and draw shear stress variation diagram. Okay, a beam 100 mm wide, so first write given data. B is equal to 100 mm, 250 mm deep, D is equal to 250 mm, subjected to a shear force of 40 kilonewton, so S is equal to 40 kilonewton, convert kilonewton into newton, multiply by 10 cube. So calculate Q max, maximum shear stress. So by using equation Q average, first of all calculate Q average. Q average is equal to S by A, means S by BD. Put the values of S, B and D. 40 into 10 cube, S is the 40 into 10 cube, B is equal to 100, 100 into D is equal to 250, then we get 1.6 Newton per mm square. Okay, so Q max is equal to 1.5 into Q average, so 1.5 into 1.6, then we get 2.4 Newton per mm square. So Q max is equal to 2.4 Newton per mm square. So draw the shear stress variation diagram. Shear stress variation diagram for rectangular section. Shear stress top and bottom layer shear stress is 0, and at the neutral axis shear stress is maximum. Okay, and this is in parabolic nature. So what is the value of Q max? 2.4. So right here Q max is equal to 2.4 Newton per mm square. Rectangular section. So first of all, cross section of the beam. B is equal to 100 mm, D is equal to 250 mm, and this is the shear stress distribution diagram. At the top and bottom layer shear stress 0, and center shear stress is maximum, and this is the parabolic nature. Okay, thank you.